Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I know I promised you a tour of our beautiful renovation of our house here in Santa Dominica, Tilao, and we just now finished getting it painted. So I want to show you what a beautiful place it is. It's absolutely stunning. Now, I wanted to also let you know that we are putting our house on the market. Apparently, Pete and I are not happy unless we're deep in the bowels of a renovation project. So you can take advantage of this because all of the design touches that Antonello put on, the design touches that Salvatore put on, and what Pete and I designed in terms of the kitchen and the layout and everything else is all yours. It's done. There's nothing you need to do to this place. So I'm going to give you a tour. Let's have a look. Okay, we've just come in the front door. Now, you saw the stairs before they were done, and now they're finished, and they look absolutely gorgeous. This part here was a door, and we thought, no, we want an arch because we want more light and flow. And Antonello and Salvatore created this gorgeous arch that leads you right into the living room here. Now, the furniture will stay with it except for a few pieces here. I do love that credenza, so that's coming with us, and of course my elephant will come with us as well. But everything else that you see in here is pretty much comes with the house. Again, with the exception of a few pieces, and with the exception of our beautiful Gigi. Now, as you can see, this part of the house used to be the ruin. And when I say it was a crumbly ruin, boy, it was a crumbly ruin. It really, really was. And now, look at it. It's absolutely perfect. Antonello and Salvatore have put this gorgeous archway through. Salvatore found me these beautiful, beautiful salvaged antique doors that lead into the other part of the crumbling ruin, which is now a bedroom and an ensuite bath. And we have this really cool trapdoor because underneath there is a crawl space that's about 3 feet high. And it's all storage, all underneath this part of the house. So you have bicycle storage and wine storage and everything else. Now this is the kitchen we bought at Bama. We had it custom designed for this space, and it is really, really functional. Some of the very unique designs and elements that you can get in these Italian kitchens, I absolutely love. So over here on this side is the refrigerator. We've got a dishwasher. We've got, drawers for cleaning supplies and that sort of thing. But this is my favorite thing about an Italian kitchen. Ta-da! You don't have your dishes that are drying. Like, I never want to run the dishwasher for 3 glasses and a cup, right? So you've got this, and you put it up here, and you close this. They drain, they dry, and it's right over your sink. Now, I want to point out something about this sink, too. This sink is engineered granite. Now, in our last flip project that Pete and I did in San Jose, California, we had put in one of these engineered granite sinks. And I'll tell you, the thing is indestructible, and it really, really is beautiful. We just love it. I don't think I'm ever going to have any other sink. The stainless sinks have a tendency to ding and get little dimples and stuff and scratch. This one, not an issue. It's absolutely fantastic. The countertop is sort of an engineered quartz, very, very durable, very strong, really, really lovely. And I just love the way this whole thing turned out. The appliances, I think all of the appliances are Whirlpool or the Italian equivalent. We've got an oven here. We've got another microwave here. And here's the pantry. And you can see it's a really nice pull-out pantry here. I love the flow-through in this room. It's absolutely stunning. Now, one of the things that's really gonna make it hard to leave is this gorgeous view off of the kitchen dining room area. We specifically set up the kitchen and dining room to really, really take advantage of these spectacular views. Now, there's not too many houses in Santa Dominica that have this view, and it really, really is spectacular. At night, you see the lights, and you see the little cars coming up from down below. In the evening, you get some of the most spectacular sunsets I've ever seen. And you just feel really connected to the rest of the people in the village and the earth and the mountains and the sea. I mean, it's just spectacular. I wanted to show you this really quick. We just made it possible for one of our guys to buy a house. It's been on the market for a long time. And they said they didn't want anything in it. And the owner said, yeah, we're just gonna toss everything that's there. And I said, oh, can I have this? It's just the funniest little thing. It's ceramic, and it's just like a little piece, and it's got little flowers all over it. And I thought, God, that's really unusual. And I absolutely love it. And they said, oh, please take it, please take it. We're so happy you sold our house. And I'm like, okay, thank you. So anyway, you can see this is a really, really good sized living room. Gigi loves it. And out the living room, you have another gorgeous terrace. So you can have two terraces out here. You can see one from the sofas and one from the kitchen table. Absolutely spectacular. Whoever buys this place is absolutely gonna love it. Okay, and from the kitchen we go through these doors. Now this part was the crumbly ruin. Now I don't know if you remember what it used to look like, but it was a crumbly ruin. And that bathroom was just full of sand and dirt and everything else. But now it's a huge and beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Now the furniture does stay with the house. So if you like these, you can keep them for no extra cost. Here is the bathroom. Hello. You got a nice sliding door, which is great. It's a nice solid one too. It's not super flimsy, which I really like. Some of them are very flimsy, but the ones they have here are nice and solid. And this beautiful bathroom, so that it's a bedroom and ensuite that's really brand new. We just took possession of the renovated house when we got here last April, so it's less than a year renovated. So anyway, that's just a taste of the beautiful things that Antonello and Salvatore can do. Okay, from the living room, we're going back out to the entry hall here, and I'm going to take you up the stairs. Now there's a little section underneath, oops, there's my cane, little section underneath that we're going to put probably a little place to hang your coats and things like that. So these stairs are actually really quite solid and nice. These were put in by Antonello and Salvatore. Now here's the upstairs section. It was really interesting because when we came into this house, we found out as they started the renovations that the house itself had a whole nother story above it. And we were quite excited. We knew we wanted a roof terrace, but we also didn't know that we could put in a bathroom, which is right there, and another little kitchen for the terrace, which is right there. So I'm going to show you the terrace right now. This is actually the money shot of the house. And you can see the terrace is really, really big. You can use 30% of your roof area for a roof terrace. And we have pretty much the whole top section of this part of the house here. So we were able to put in a massive roof terrace. Some people can, some people can't. Depends on how much roof area you have. This is a table set up for 4 people, but you could actually fit 12 or 15 or even 18 people up here. Now let's show you the view. Starting out here, the view of our village. Behind us at night, the village is lit up gold. It's absolutely magical. And you're right in the thick of it. And then it's morning now. It's a little hazy, but you can still see the beautiful sea. And really, the views up here are nothing less than just completely spectacular. So you really get, you know, a full circular view of the village and of the mountains and of the sea. And that is really the probably, I mean, in a house that's filled with gorgeous features, this is probably one of the best ones. Okay, we're coming in from the terrace, and right across from the terrace, we have this really, really pretty bathroom. It's brand new. We haven't been used it, to be honest with you. Pete is going to put in some light fixtures today or tomorrow. And this is one of those beautiful, they call it a tetto nardi. Salvatore Nardi makes these beautiful ceiling roof things. We just had Giuseppe stain it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we have this beautiful big bathroom with a lovely shower, and then your terrace is right there. So you have extra bathroom space, and then you also have what could be called a service bathroom from the terrace. Okay, and from the terrace, we're coming into the little kitchen that Antonello convinced us to get, and it's absolutely perfect little kitchen for upstairs. Now there's some more cabinets still, and we're not sure where they're gonna go, or whether they're actually needed in the first place. So we're gonna be measuring those out and installing them if there's room. In any case, it's a perfectly serviceable little kitchen. You've got an oven, you've got a really nice 4-burner stove that hasn't even been used yet. And of course the sink and everything else. Petey's gonna put in some more lights. And again, you have that tetto nardi in the corner. And we've got a little fridge up here that we will leave with the house. And this place has air conditioning and heating. So altogether in the house, there's air conditioning and heating in the bedroom, the master bedroom, and in both the living room units and up here in this kitchen, because it does get warm in the summertime. And again, you have a lot of airflow through here. You can put your laundry facilities up here and just put your stuff out on the laundry terrace, or get a dryer, whatever you want to do. So that is the upstairs. Now there's 2 unfinished rooms that are quite big. The 2 unfinished rooms are on this side here and on the other side over there. They are actually huge. They're full of stuff right now, so I can't really show it to you, but they could very, very cheaply be finished because there's not a lot of wall space there. The windows are in, the roof is brand new on that side. There's a skylight on the other side, so you could make it a beautiful, beautiful bedroom suite or a studio or just about anything you want. Now, off the kitchen here, we have this really cute laundry terrace. I call it a laundry terrace because you can put your laundry outside, and we do when we have a lot, but it's a cute little terrace. It's got this little privacy screen up here so that you don't have people looking right down on you. And then from here, you've got a beautiful view of the mountains and the village. And I had them put a little outdoor sink so that you can wash big items out here if you want to. You can wash your rugs. You can put a hose up here and hose off your terrace. It's a really, really handy little thing. So that's our upstairs area. I'm going to show you the rest of it. Okay, we just came in the door. The stairway is right here. And we're going down the hallway. So you can see this is a really big house. There's another bedroom on this side here, and there's what was a single bedroom. We're using it for storage here. And the master is right here. Now, I want to show you our cute bathroom, because this is the bathroom that was here when we got here, and I actually really like it. We haven't really changed anything except for the, you know, the toilet and the bidet, but I like this big sink. You can hand wash your delicates in it, and it's just a really light and bright bathroom here. Now, this is the view out the window. It's on the same side of the house as the master bedroom, which I'll take you out through here. And you can see this armadio is for linens. That stays with the house. And then here's the master bedroom. Okay, from the hallway, we're coming into our master bedroom here. And this was the master bedroom to start with. We could use the other one on the other side, that was the ruin, as the master, but honestly, we just love it in here. We love the light, we love the comfort. There's the bathroom right next door. And what I love the most is this window that when you wake up in the morning in summer, you hear the church bells, and you have a view of this beautiful mountain. I call it the Elephant Head Mountain. I don't know if you can see it today, but I see distinctly an elephant head there on the side. You really can't see it today, but it's really, really nice to wake up in the bosom, really, of this beautiful village. There's not a lot of people around you, so there's not a whole lot of invasive noise or anything like that. It's very quiet here. But I just love looking out in the morning and seeing this view when I wake up. Now, another thing I want to point out is that we do have mosquito screens throughout the house. We have the sliding ones for the balconies in front and upstairs, and we have screens on every single window. So that can run into a little bit of money if you're going to go ahead and put them all in all over the house. There's this room here. Now, I have not cleaned or tidied it up. It's really just a catch-all, and you can see that we have everything for the B&Bs here, and our suitcases and everything else. Plus, we just had the house painted, so there's a lot of lamps that have to go back up and mirrors that have to go back on the wall. However, this is a good size room. It used to have a single bed along this wall here, and it was quite comfortable. You could move around okay. We have a big storage cabinet here because we have all the stuff for the B&Bs, all the cleaning supplies and a lot of the sheets and pillowcases and stuff like that. We're going to be moving those out into our new big garage that we got. But again, you've got a nice little window here, which gives you a lot of light. This is a beautiful little den area, or perfect for a giant dressing room or walk-in closet, which I love. So that's a nice room to have as storage. And again, there's two large unfinished rooms up top, which are great for storage as well. Okay, coming out of this room, we're going to go into the other bedroom, which again, it's disorganized. We've had the painters in. They just painted and did a beautiful job. It's a lovely, very light blue in this room. But we have to get things organized here. So that's what we're in the midst of doing. Now, this is a bedroom. It used to be the kitchen, and the stove was in that corner there, and the cabinets ran along this wall. There was a fireplace here that we had removed because it really wasn't all that functional, and it really wasn't very pretty. So we had to have a huge, huge bedroom space here. And it looks out onto the via. We do have shutters, and again, we have mosquito screens so that you can have privacy if you want to. But it's a perfectly serviceable and very, very comfortable bedroom, especially in summer. It'll be a lot cooler because it's toward the back of the house. So that is the downstairs area. We also have a magazino. It's a massive man cave, and I think you're really gonna like it.